Delicious recipe for creamy garlic buttered mashed potatoes. Ingredients: potatoes, 2 pounds Yukon Gold or Russet for best texture. Garlic, 3 to 4 large cloves, peeled. And salted butter, 6 tablespoons softened. Heavy cream or milk, 1/2 cup. Adjust for desired consistency. Salt, to taste. Pepper, to taste optional. Fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped for garnish, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the potatoes. 1. Peel and chop the potatoes into evenly sized chunks. This ensures uniform cooking. 2. Place the chopped potatoes into a large pot and cover them with cold water. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water. Step 2. Cook the potatoes. 1. Bring the pot to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce to a simmer. 2. Cook the potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are fork tender. A fork should slide in and out easily. Step 3. Prepare the garlic butter. 1. While the potatoes are boiling, prepare the garlic butter. In a small saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over low heat. 2. Add the peeled garlic cloves and saute them until golden and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Remove the garlic and mash it into a paste using a fork. Step 4. Mash the potatoes. 1. Drain the cooked potatoes thoroughly and return them to the pot. Allow them to sit for a minute to evaporate any remaining moisture. 2. Use a potato masher or ricer to mash the potatoes until smooth and fluffy. Step 5. Combine ingredients. 1. Add the mashed garlic, remaining butter, and heavy cream. Warm the cream slightly for better integration. 2. Stir vigorously using a wooden spoon or hand mixer on low speed until the mixture is creamy and well combined. 3. Taste and season with salt and pepper as desired. Step 6. Garnish and serve. 1. Transfer the mashed potatoes to a serving bowl. 2. Garnish with chopped parsley or an extra pat of butter for added richness. Tips for perfect mashed potatoes. 1. Choose the right potatoes. Yukon Golds yield a creamy texture, while Russets are light and fluffy. 2. Avoid overmixing. Overworking the potatoes can lead to a gluey texture. 3. Customize flavors. Add cream cheese, roasted garlic, or Parmesan cheese for additional flavor depth. These creamy garlic buttered mashed potatoes pair beautifully with roasted meats, vegetables, or even as a standalone comfort dish. Enjoy. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.